Demonstration has happened. Did you die?
Did you die?
And foremost, but that is a sacrifice that we have to know that nothing comes on a silver platter for you to actually speak out. The Kwame Nkrumah sacrifice for us.
You know this police, they are like Betway, okay, over 1.5. I know definitely they are not going to allow them.
And foremost, but that is a sacrifice that we have to know that nothing comes on a silver platter for you to actually speak out. The Kwame Nkrumah sacrifice for us. The Yasantua sacrifice for us. The many General Xposed and the rest that we read about in our history books, the sacrifice for us. The least some of us can do is to continue to add our voices, our presence, our resources, if maybe to be able to add to the voices that will scream aloud for the people in power to know that we deserve better things to be done for us. My first call is, look at the healthcare situation. Look at the flood that is happening, the drainage systems. In as much as the populace has a role to play, the government has the power to force and instill the people, to obey and align into some developmental plans, So when I see people being evacuated and compensated for roads to be built properly and for them to move out of waterways, I support these things. It's up to the citizens to also know that that is for the betterment. That on the side, the motorway with the tolls that have been taken from years. I lost my knee to the accident on a motorway.
Yeah. And you listed that as one of the reasons why you decided to join this protest.
It's a major reason that I can never forget. I walk with a titanium knee replacement in my leg. How can I ever forget that happened to me? And even up to today, people still die off of the motorway, tires are blasting and all of that. Have we not raised enough revenue to be able to fix the motorway that Kwame Nkrumah built from yesteryears? And I'm not standing here in the name of MPP, NDC or CPP or KKP. I stand here in the name of Ghanaians as I am. That's my brother. I'm one of them. The president is a Ghanaian. The police force are Ghanaians. The military are Ghanaians. So guess what? It gives me a lot of joy. In the beginning, I was a little bit just skeptical, but I had to stand because I always do to make sure that I come in because I don't really care about whoever wants to politicize my... Yeah. Tell me where we gonna run go after making our motherland a better place to live. Simple life is all we want to live.
We are sitting here on the floor right now as a representation of my voice now. We are doing calm protest. Everybody is so chill here. Nobody is causing any trouble. We just want to be heard out. Maybe I feel like the police guys
pressure per se, but look, social media been wide. Plenty of people they talk, and they do more people they talk say yes, celebrities for talk because even like if it's somewhere else, celebrities will tweet about them or whatever it is. But to be honest, you know, we all celebrities people they but celebrities are also Ghanaians. You get my point? We all we Ghana people. They are not there as a celebrity, they are there as like Ghanaian citizens. And so, and everybody they contribute in a certain way. You know, everybody will be here. Some people will just tweet about them and make noise about them. You know, they expect to make everybody come. You get my point? So celebrities are also doing their bit. You know, with the pressure, but today we there here with the camp protest to see how things go.
You don't touch anybody. You don't touch anybody.
What do you do for
girls like you? That's why I went for the girls like you. Not for Ghana. Not for Ghana, for the girls like you. Yes, you're kind only. I don't care about Ghana. I only care about you. That's why I went. That's why I went.
I have a question for Ghana government. Ghana government, did you die?
Did you die?
Did you die?
Did you die?
As this demonstration has happened, did you die?
Did you die?
As the youth came here to register their displeasure, did you die?
Did you die?
As we came to show that we are united, did you die?
Did you die?
As we call for accountability, did you die?
Did you die?
Ghana government, any day want to do demonstration, please allow us because you will not die. Would they die?
No.
Would they die?
No.
Allow us.
Did you
what?
die?
Did you die?
No.
Ghana government, did you die? Did you die?
Did you die?
Allow us. Thank you very much.
I just really want to appreciate everybody who made it to this place. Because we are all Ghanaians, we are all citizens.
Yes.
We all believe in Ghana.
Yes.
We don't have anywhere apart from Ghana. So that is our first calling. The security agencies, they are all Ghanaians.
Yes.
And they also understand that this is our constitutional rights that we are exhibiting. You know, irrespective of how it may look. I know there's no single person that is armed or has any illegal material that is going to cause chaos in this peaceful protest.
Yes.
This is my extension of being a very solid Ghanaian and a musician who has spoken times without number, all these things that are problems that we face in my music. So it's only right that I represent right here. I just got into the country 3 days ago and I leave tonight, but I have to move it to tomorrow so I can join in. And so I just, like I said, keep it focused. PN and Echo, PN is going to come back, and then we're going to continue to, no matter the perimeter that we are allowed, we're still going to make sure that the world is hearing, is just listening to us. And trust you me, I know that right down from the presidency to whoever, they understand what is going on, and this has gone worldwide. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys for coming out. We are all the same, like she's saying. Let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Let's disperse, like she's saying. God bless.
what do you expect from your colleagues in the entertainment industry with regards to this problem?
I expect my colleagues to stop being cowards. I expect for them to stop having so much fear in their hearts. I expect for them to show up where it matters, not just on Twitter and not just online when you're comfortable in your home in your air conditioners, eating your fufu or whatever. I need you guys to be out here in the streets, in the heat, showing the people that you care about them, you support them, the way they support your music, the way they support your movies, the way they support the things you guys do. Be here where it matters. Where it really matters is to be out here supporting. So I expect my colleagues, the big people with the big voices, the ones that have the platform, to be here where it matters.
I respect everybody's position, except for the people who want to cause harm. I just want to say that if Ghana is taking care of your needs, if you have the money to take care of your children, you have the money to fly where you want to go, your children are going to school, when you are sick, you can get health care. Do you think that you'll be really thinking about what people are doing in their bedrooms? This does not affect you. I have never seen two gay people kissing in public ever in my life. Since I was born, I've heard about Kojo Besa in the Ghana community. I live in Tema. They've been there. Nobody harmed them. People gossip about them. But I have never seen a gay person rob anybody in Ghana. I have never seen a gay person rob anybody in Ghana. I have never seen a gay policeman. Okay, actually, I don't know. Let me not say that. I have never seen. I'm just saying that. I'm just saying. I'm sorry. I'm just saying that. Please focus. Ghanaians are wise. Ghanaians are not timid. Ghanaians are not stupid. If you don't believe in something, that's fine. I feel like if
listen. What happened to your post, Mr. President? I can count from miles away to see you, not the residents. I ain't trying to make up stories, bro, it's so evident. We can't even tell if you're doing this shit with intent. I say it like I see it, I hit the nail right in the head. We put a lot of faith in you, only to be misled. Invested so much intuition to be living on the edge. Start to see that when niggas struggle to get the daily bread. Roll on December, see the long list of events. He left our squad, go enter. Dollars, pounds, euros, hey my nigga, you remember. If you naughty money, you go think say not investor. You make it cool your temper, you the center of attraction during the festive. I ain't gonna lie, it feels good, that's impressive. You still gotta put things in the right perspective. Come clean, boss, you have been so deceptive. Homies working 3-4 jobs, here to chill, but the natives on the line can't secure one job still. Hey, soft life, need to make you do them pass a bill. No, they waste time, my boys, they wait me for Brazil. How we stabilizing the city, your people or them be greedy, we're done. Going soft, make we activate giddy giddy. The boys are all gone, thought they could help change this mess, but they got it all wrong. I don't blame them, the will to be so big and so strong. You tell we early like we just go find some laptop. Hey, next thing we playing tough, Mr. President, do better.
We need change. It's not just change, real change. Everything is so expensive. You guys, food, transportation, everything.
Tell me good news. You see this book at the hold. I don't get kiddy, I don't get wife, I don't get gay. Me director, so me need baby that me so me if I die right now, I dey love. If this thing kill me, I dey love pass me komoto we ne kume. You understand? I dey want tell when a leader say if me I die like they kill Kaka, they no kill anybody. But remember, somebody go replace we. If I tell me kutabuku police chi obi pe, you renew the mono 1 week. Or the second obi pe. You renew 1 week. Lawyers will stand by. Name bisa police ni biya question. Police ni bisa asama en kasa no ho. It's automatically ye pi shawasum. And then on me block here. On block here so other alternative day. So mo so my yankwa. Yes ye me chilo mo say e mema okurum ha. Choboy. Enti yanko Cecilia da pai.
You're live on TV3. Just talk to us why you've decided to join the young people of this country to be on the streets today.
First of all, I'm a big fan of TV3. Station of the, what was TV3? What was that? Best in news, best in entertainment. Yeah. Shout out to TV3. You know, we out here. You know, this morning I woke up, I was listening to my Keche album, the Keche Fest album. I'm like, nobody listens to Keche. But I'm here to support Ghana because, Charlie, I saw what happened 2 days ago, and it wasn't really nice, you know. So I felt like I should be out here and Charlie and help support, you know. I like the fact that Ghanaians are coming together. When they arrested the gay people, you people didn't come together to fight for them. That's also human rights. But that's another conversation for another day.
Amongst the concerns that have been raised, fix the motorway and a whole lot. I mean, which one for you sticks out?
All of them. The roads are no good. The water, everything. You know, things are expensive. You know, me, I have a swimming pool in my house, and my father is white, so I don't see these things. But my friends, when I go outside, I see them complain a lot. You know, so, yeah.
That's Papi Kojo speaking there, and so that's just a general sense of what it's been. Thank you very much, Papi Kojo, for speaking to us as well. He wanted us to say thank you as well.
Protect active.
As in,
people are outside.
Just about some few minutes ago with one of their officials, which they told us they are going to allow us to only walk, so we should move away from the traffic so that the motorists can move. We abide by that, and now the police have put their barricades here again, protecting the people. We are going to enforce our laws no matter what. We are going to use other things. So we will be here, we don't have issue with the police. We are going to make sure that this oppressor's rule that was taken in our constitution,